Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are an experienced professional looking to update or create your resume for 2025, this video is for you. This is a perfect video. This is a very latest video. Whether you are looking for a new job, a new promotion, or simply need to wrap up resume ramp, I will explain. I will guide you through the entire process to ensure your resume stand out. Let's do it. How to create update on experience resume 2025. It is a very interesting, and an experience resume needs to highlight your expertise and achievements. Here how to structure it efficiently. So start with a strong header. Include your name, phone number, email address, LinkedIn profile. Obviously you have. If you don't have, it is a mandatory if you are experienced. And portfolio, websites link if you have last worked on the previous companies. Make sure your contact info is easy to find and up to date, like for example your name, just up to the contact number, just more than to the email id and LinkedIn profile. That's it. This is your very important things. Second, craft a powerful summary or objectives. So I can explain you. A resume summary is key for experienced professionals. It's a brief 2-3 sentence statement that highlight your skill, career achievements, and key value to potential employers. Customize it for each job you apply to, focusing on what makes you the best fit. Accomplished marketing manager with over 7 years experience or more than 10 years experience in content strategy and digital campaigning. Proven track record in driving engagement and revenue growth, seeking to the leverage expertise in a senior level marketing role. You can just put it as a any summary and objective. I had to give a sweet small example. Third point, focus on your professional experience. This section is the heart of your resume. List your most recent job first and work backwards. Yes, job title, company name, employment dates. You can put it as a month also, and you can keep as a year. It is depend up to you. Key responsibilities and achievements. Use bullet points to showcase measurable results and action taken. Focus on achievements, not just duties. So you can put it as a, just like if you have an example of marketing manager, you can put it xyz company from jan to jan year, anything to the 2024 2023 to present. Lead team of 5 executive digital marketing campaign resulting in a 30% increase in website traffic. Managed ppc campaign with a budget of $100 100K, generating $250K in revenue. Developed content strategy that boosted customer engagement by 40%. You can say just as example from your brief as according to your role, which is only the 1 or 2 lines. That is sufficient. Fourth point, highlight skill and expertise. List both hard skills, technical skills, tools and software, and soft skills, communication and leadership. Include keywords from the job description to improve your chances to getting noticed by recruiter using application tracking system, means ATS. Hard skill, you can put just as an example. Hard skills, you can put Google Analytics, SEO, SEM, social media manager, SMM, Adobe Creative Suite. Soft skill, you can mention as a leadership, problem solving, strategic thinking, and team collaboration. So this is a common thing you can put if you have any role. And fifth point, showcase your certificate, training and education. So include any relevant certificate or courses that had value to your experience. If you have a degree, list it with here along with the institution and year. You can mention as a, for example, certification in digital marketing, so you could put it as a name and year, and which you have a certificate, another certificate you can put it as. If you don't have, you can mention as a online learning, this type of things. And sixth point is a add achievements and key projects. If applicable, showcase any award, project, and recognition that add value to your profile. Include key performance indicator, you mean KPIs, this is important, and measurable results. For example, awards, exam, employee of the year, previous last year, a blah 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 company, and exceeding the sales target by 50%, or project lead the successful launch of a new project line resulting in a 25% increase in sales within the 6 months. So you can give as a realistic data. It is not a 50% growth, 70% growth. It is a you don't need to the mention it like that. You can keep as a 20%, 30% like that growth. 7 point and last point, which is on the keep it neat, organized, and ATS friendly. Ensure your resume has a professional and organized layout. Use clear heading, bullet points, and consistent formatting to improve readability. Pro tips, it is a very important, this will be helpful to you. Use resume templates available, multiple, which is the online. But also keep data. Data is important, format is not an important. So that's it. Updating or creating a resume for 2025 does not have too complicated. Just follow these steps and I will be ready to impress employer in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you are on the first time, let me know. If you need more tips and examples in the comments below. Best of luck with yours dream jobs and your job searching. Thank you so much.